Shoppers looking for a small luxury SUV know the all-new GMC Terrain provides exceptional handling, bold styling, and a luxurious interior at an affordable price. And Castle Buick GMC is the Chicago area dealer for your next new or pre-owned Buick vehicle. Visit our interactive website at www.castlebpg.com. While you're there, receive finance rates as low as 0%, 0.9%, or 1.9% upon approved credit. View our customers' testimonials to hear firsthand why buying with us is the best choice. Sell us your car, even if you don't buy one of ours. Come check us out and see why we say, before you buy, see the Castle guy. Castle Buick GMC is located at 7400 West Cermak Road in North Riverside, Illinois.
Before you buy, see the Castle guy.